Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How is everyone anyway? Everyone good? Everybody okay? Please like the video, subscribe and hit that bell icon to receive notifications when I go live or upload a new hobbies video or anything like that, because I go live on a gaming session most nights between 9 PM and 10 PM UK time, so you can come over there and have a chat. I'll always say hello back, even if you just come along and just watch without saying hello. That's all good too. I've started doing my origami and hobbies videos again, so it's going to be uploading them every around 2-3 days. You know, a new video, so look forward to all that. So get subscribing, liking the videos and hitting that bell to receive notifications when I do all that. Really do appreciate it, guys. I've already got a Phoenix up and running. How to put origami a Phoenix. What else? A mobile phone holder. What else? We've done a cobra snake as well, how to origami and paper fold a cobra snake. I'm going to be doing more novice videos as well at the same time. They're more advanced, the cobra and the Phoenix. So yeah, but today we're going to be showing you how to origami paper fold a butterfly. Very easy to do this. Takes like only a few minutes to do. You know what I mean? So we're going to be showing you how to do these. And as usual, I'll show you how to make a square out of an A4 piece of paper. So you want to bring all this edge to get on this edge here. Sorry guys, it's not fitting on camera. Just like that, all the way along where it points off here. It's to make your square in the first place. You know, for people who don't know how to do it. Just like that, give it a nice hard crease. Turn it over, and then you want to bring this edge to this edge, pointing it off here. So it's in line with this back piece here, if that makes sense, guys. Just like that. Done. Give it a nice hard crease. Now this part you want to bring it fold back and forth on its original fold. Like that, so you weaken the crease. You know what I mean, guys? Just showing you how to make a perfect square of paper here, guys, that's all. Out of an A4 piece of paper. You're better starting with just scrap A4 piece of paper when you're practicing, guys. Especially if you've never done it before. I'll always give a little pause in between the steps and then just turn it along. That crease you've just weakened, just like that, and there you go, a perfect square. So this is how you do the perfect square. Anyway, now I'll show you how to make these. Okay, so I'm using proper origami paper here. We'll give it a quick pause, give you a chance to pause it while you just make your square piece of paper if you need to do that now, guys. Another thing I forgot to mention that I do normally on every video, that's a valley fold where your fold's going down, and that's a mounting fold. Just so you know which side of paper be up and down where you need to fold, if that makes sense. Just makes it easier for the video as well. So that's a valley fold where it's down. That's a mounting fold where it's up. Anyway, what you want to do now is bring all of this side and this side to this corner here. Like that. Take your time with it, guys. Give it a nice hard crease as usual. Now unfold it like that, and you want to do the same on this side. So you want to bring this full corner to this full corner like that. Just like that. Now, you want to turn your piece of paper, your square, over like that, so these are mounting fold up. Remember when I mentioned it at the beginning of the video? And then you want to bring this edge to this full edge here. All the way. This is so simple, guys, honestly. I'll be uploading more novice videos in the future, you know, just simple origami for people who want to get into it and start off, you know, very simple and that. Now unfold it like that, turn it around, and then you want to bring this full edge to this edge here. Just like that. Take your time with it, guys, you know. There we go, giving it all a nice hard crease as usual. Unfold it, turn it around like that. And you know, as these folds are mounting fold up, now what you want to do is bring this together like that. So you have that, then same on the other side. And bring it together like that. That's why you were doing the pre-creases, so you could get this shape nice and easy. So, show you one last time, just these folds here, what you've created, that are mounting fold up now, because you turned it over, just bring them in, like that, and then crease it all together, like that. So you'll have this now. That makes sense. Right, give it a pause for anybody catching up. Okay, Now, what you want to do is bring one of the corners down, pointing it off here, and then bringing it to about here, if that makes sense, so it veers off. Just like that. Does that make sense, guys? So you're not quite bringing it to the middle here, you're just veering it off here slightly. So you have that. Just like that. And do the same on this side. Bring this corner all the way over, pointing it off there. And you'll know how far to go in, you know, by looking at this one. Just make it symmetrical with this side, if that makes sense, on this side. Now give it a nice sad crease, just like that. Then you'll end up with that, like that. Right. Now turn it over, and what you want to do is bring this back end up to just slightly over this line here. Just give it a bit of a crease in the middle, like that. And then fold it. Why don't we bring that up a little bit more, like that. Hold it all together like that. Turn it over and then fold the whole thing in half, like that. That makes sense. Just pinching it at the bottom here. Right, and fold it, and do you remember this lip you've just made here? Fold that over the front like that. So you'll have that, and then fold it again in half, the whole thing. Like that. Giving a slight curve to your wings and that at the top. Like that. Just push it down slightly like that, only ever so slightly. And there you go. There's your butterfly. And that's how you make them. Nice and simple, nice and easy. Give it a try, guys. Anybody interested? I'll be finishing off Final Fantasy 9 tonight. Doing on my live gaming session, then going on to Final Fantasy 7 Remake, doing a playthrough of that. Now that never played before, so that'll be interesting, guys. That's just for anybody interested in that. But if you're only coming here for the arts and crafts and that, you know, the origami and things, you know, that's all good too. You know what I mean? It's all good, guys. Please like the video, subscribe and hit that bell icon to receive notifications when I go live or upload a new video or all that stuff. Really do appreciate it, guys. Helps out a lot. Hope you've enjoyed making these as much as I have with me. And I shall see you all in the next session. Please look after yourselves and each other. And I'll see you in the next session. This is nice and easy. I'm going to be uploading more nice and easy origami tutorials. You know what I mean? for the people that want to get into it, had never done it before. So watch this space. See you in the next video, guys.